Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
Tricky question, tricky official question. If C is a non-negative constant, how many real number values for x satisfy the equation root of c minus x is equal to root c minus root x? How many? So c is a constant, by the way. It's clearly given. So what's the first step we should do here? Square both the sides, right? So if we square both the sides, what do we get? Obviously, square root gets removed. So is equal to c plus x minus, very nice. So, well, c actually gets cancelled, right? Correct. So yeah, so basically 2 root cx is equal to 2x. Am I correct? Huh? 2 also gets cancelled. Very nice. So what do we have then? Correct. Then again square both the sides because we want to remove the square root. So what do we? Cx. Then what did you do? Oh yeah, yes, absolutely, absolutely. So then basically x square minus cx is equal to 0. Correct. Right. And then what do I take common? X minus c is equal to 0. Right. Product of two expressions is 0. When will the product of two expressions be 0? If first is 0 or second is 0, which means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to c. Right. So how many real number values of x satisfy? 2, right? 0 and the constant itself. So mind you, some perspective helps here. C is given to us as a non-negative constant, whatever it is. It may be 3, 4, 5, 10,000, whatever. What we are saying is as long as C is equal to that constant, it satisfies this equation, right? And another value of x that satisfies this equation is x is equal to C.
I have a doubt.
Just 1 second, Kavita. Yes, please go ahead.
I forgot why we can't just cancel out x on both sides in
Okay,
the
yeah. So
x is equal
actually,
to x square.
correct. So if we just cancel out x, let's say, if we cancel out x, then we lose on x is equal to 0 as a solution, Chatrika.
Okay, got it. X is equal to 0 is always a solution, I think, in this kind
In
of
this case, correct,
setup.
correct. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Kavita, please go ahead, please go ahead. Oh, actually, see, it's not about just the procedure, right? The point is we want to find out whether x is equal to 0 satisfies this equation, right? Let's do that. If x is equal to 0, what is the left hand side? root of c, right? Root of c minus 0, left hand side, right? Which is basically nothing but root c. What is right hand side? Root c minus root of 0, which is again root c. So it is a solution. X is equal to 0, right? X is equal to 0 is a very valid, authentic solution. But if we cancel this out, then we will not get x is equal to 0 as a solution. We lose out on that. Are we clear? I mean, this is actually, honestly, a concept that is simple but important, and we can do it for anything. For example, x square is equal to 3x, let's say. X square is equal to 3x. And we have to find out the solutions for this. Now, the solutions for this is, one approach is, if you cancel this out, then what is the solution that you get? Only x is equal to 3. But if you're doing this, then what are you missing on? Because x is equal to 0 is also a very valid solution, because for x is equal to 0, left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 0. Okay. So two values of x satisfy this equation, and which are those two values? X equal to 0 and x is equal to c.